Welcome to Examining Agent Flows through Agent Traces. Behind every agent response is an agent flow, an advanced web of agent thoughts, observations, agent invocations, and skill executions. In this video, we will define agent flows, conversations, and traces, examine agent traces and what they capture, and discuss how traces support agent troubleshooting. Let's start by defining agent flows. An agent flow begins whenever Ed, or any other agent, receives a user request. To satisfy the request, multiple agents may be called, and multiple skills may be executed. These series of actions are referred to as an agent flow. Think of an agent flow as the decision path behind the scenes. Each step, whether it's calling a related agent, executing a logic block, or retrieving data, contributes to the tasks completed and the response sent to the user. Agent conversations capture the surface-level exchange, the back and forth between the user and Ed. But behind every message is an agent flow, and this is where agent traces come in. Agent traces allow you to see a sequential log of everything that happened throughout an agent flow. Every agent accessed, every skill executed, including their inputs and outputs, and the complete LLM request and response for each action in the agent flow. Now that we've defined agent flows, conversations, and traces, let's take a closer look at how we can see agent flows in action through agent traces. From the Agent Conversations application, select the Row Action menu next to a message and select View Agent Traces. You must be in the detail form of a conversation to see this. This action appears on all user messages, but not on other message types. Each trace represents a single agent flow, from the initial request to the final response. In longer conversations, you'll often see multiple traces because each new request starts a new flow. However, an agent may need additional information from the user in order to satisfy the request. Even though this results in an additional user message, it is still part of the original agent flow and is captured in the same agent trace. Each record in the trace is an action performed during the flow. Actions are listed in order so you can follow the path step by step. You'll typically see actions of three main types: agent actions, when an agent is called; skill actions, when a skill is executed; and LLM actions, which show the actual prompts and responses sent to the LLM. The split-screen view makes it easy to line up these actions with the original conversation, giving you a complete picture of how the agent reached its response. Now that we have examined agent flows through agent traces, let's discuss how traces support agent troubleshooting. By examining agent traces, you can identify why a skill was selected, confirm whether the right agents were called, and refine your prompts and skill definitions to guide the model more effectively. Traces turn troubleshooting from guesswork into a structured process. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you create an agent to display supplier contact information. It uses a logic block skill to find the correct supplier and a data retrieval skill to display the supplier's phone number and email address. But when you test it, the agent fails to return the contact details. By examining the trace, you discover that the logic block skill was never executed. Without it, the data retrieval skill can't function properly. This insight allows you to adjust the agent's persona or skill description prompts so the model executes the logic block skill first. With that change, the agent flow works as intended. Thank you for watching Examining Agent Flows through Agent Traces. In this video, we introduced agent flows, conversations, and traces, explored how agent traces reveal the path behind each agent response, and examined how traces support agent troubleshooting. For more information on agent traces, visit Next World Help.